Morning guys, welcome back to Jetbox TV. I've been to an appointment this morning in Cheadle and I've parked my car up and had the intention of actually going to Manchester Airport viewing area for the first time, just to see what it's all about. Now I'm not planning on going there regularly because there's a great YouTube channel already called Airliners Live, run by two great guys with a team of people helping them, and they broadcast 3 or 4 times a week from a north and south side of Manchester Airport, and I'm not trying to compete with them in any way, shape or form, but I just thought for a little bit of content would be worth going. But where I've been this morning is quite interesting because I parked my car up and straight over there is the flight path into Manchester Airport, and I bought a new camera, a bit of a geek, and with a fabulous new lens, and literally sat here and there you go, there's one, just you might be able to see it now. It's just coming in above the tree line, and I could probably sit here all day actually and get some great footage, but I am going to go to the Southside Viewing Park and have a look and see what we get. And I'll probably do a collaboration if they're willing to with the lads from Airliners Live, but for the moment I'm just going to go and see where it all takes place. So thanks for being here and stay tuned. So literally as I'm sat here, 3 aircraft are coming in. There's an EasyJet on final approach there, another one following it, and so the vantage point that I picked does look to be pretty decent, although I'm going to go on to the main place, and then there's a Ryanair that's coming in. So you know, I could potentially go there in future, but as you'll see, the next place is great.
Exit to the left to M56 towards Manchester Airport.
These are the famous airport tunnels. Right, so I'm not sure if I'm parked in the right place or not. There's definitely loads of cars around and people wandering around, so I've got to feel I'm in the right place. There's also a police car up the road, which stands to reason, I suppose. So I'm going to get out, have a look around and see what I can find. This is looking pretty good. Straight behind me is an airport fence. You can see an EasyJet over my shoulder, and then there's a footpath which looks like it's going to take me up towards a viewing area. Let's see what we find. Well, that's just stonking, to be honest. Well, this is definitely a pretty decent vantage point. I've got the runway behind me. They're taking off on Westerners today, so that's 27 here. No, 272, no, 26, 27 I think here. No, 26. And you'll probably see one taking off behind me in a second. So we're just going to come right past me. There we go. It's really bugging me now because I haven't landed at Manchester Airport for a while. It's 25, 23, 27. Oh, I don't know. It's westerly. You'd think I'd know. I've checked it. It's 23. I knew the reciprocal was 0.05 and I couldn't do the maths in my head. But anyway, it's 23. Duh. Here she goes.
Tower deploying right now, 14 November, Lima, taking holding. Right, 4-3, correct number 1 to the jet copy from your right, hold a big time. Hold it, and they want contact tower, 119, then we'll put your side. All good, Central 1, 119,
Not sure, but that might have been a Phenom. I'll check that on flight radar afterwards. Was. Yeah. Yeah. Well, I've got to say, I'm a geek. I'm happy to admit it. That was the well, that was a great half an hour. Wasn't expecting that, to be perfectly honest. Don't know what I was expecting, to be fair, because I've come to the side of the runway very close to the commercial airliners taking off and landing, which is what I did in the helicopter the other day with airliners live, and I was fascinated. I don't know why I was fascinated, because I should have known what to expect, but used my new camera and really delighted with what appeared to be the footage that I've taken. I'll have a look obviously when I get it downloaded. I think I might need a bigger screen, and I think I might need a tripod, because the lenses get a bit heavy, and also to keep the motion stable, even though the lens has got stabilisation. I think it might need a tripod. I'm not going to do it loads, but if I do it other airfields, I think a tripod might come in handy.